Alright guys, so our beautiful rice and peas have been cooking for approximately 15 minutes. So remember now, when the rice is added, you bring it to a boil and then you turn the fire down to low. So we're going to take these thyme pieces out. They did their job. They added the beautiful flavors. So we're going to take that out. And remember at the beginning I told you I like to cut the scallion up, that way it mixes right in with the rice. You don't have to take it out. Alright, so at this stage, it's very important that you use a fork and just kind of fluff the rice. Just fluff it up, make sure you mix it all up. And that's all there is to it. So make some rice and peas for your family today. Rice and peas is good with any meat, or if you're a vegan, it's good by itself. It's good with salad. This is our rice and peas. I use basmati rice. I'm just gonna portion it out and show you what it looks like. So it should not be soft and sticky. I love using the basmati rice, but again, you can use whatever rice that is available to you. Just remember to check your package instruction. And this is our rice. Do enjoy.